Hey everybody, this is Robin Gordon. Here's the next lesson. We're going to be, now that you are familiar with seventh chords, I'm going to show you some simple beginning shortcuts to play seventh chords. That'll be a little bit easier than playing all four notes at the same time. Okay, so for our major, the first seventh chord is going to be a major seven chord, and according to the numbers, that's 1, 3, 5, and 7 according to the major scale. So here is our C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, and 7. So that is your C major 7 chord. Okay, so when you play your C major 7 chord, of course, you're going to have your bass note. But if you notice, we have with both of our hands here, we have the root of that chord played with both hands. C played with the thumb over here, and C played with that left hand in the bass. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this seventh off of the top, place it on the bottom, and we're going to take the root out of our right hand over here. So that is a C major 7 chord, and we took the root out of the right hand again. So here it is again. Take a look. Took that seventh off of the top, place it on the bottom, and we took the root off of the top. So what you notice that we did, you notice that this 7 is 1/2 step below the root. This major 7 is 1/2 step below the root. So if we just play a major chord here and take our thumb down 1/2 step, we've played a C major 7 chord as long as we're playing the root in the bass. Okay? That will work anywhere. Here is a D major chord, and if you want to play a D major 7, just take your thumb down 1/2 step. Why? Because here is a D major 7, 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've taken that C sharp off of the top, we've placed it on the bottom, and we've taken the root out of the right hand. So, for that major 7, play a major chord, take your thumb down 1/2 step. That works anywhere. Let's see C sharp. Now here's C sharp major 7. Here's E flat. Here's E flat major 7. Here's E. Here's E major 7. F. F major 7. F sharp. F sharp major 7. G. G major 7, A flat major 7, A major 7, B flat major 7, B major 7, etc. Now here is a dominant 7 chord, and we have, you notice what we have with our dominant 7, 1, 3, 5, and flat 7 according to the major scale, and we have a major chord with a flatted 7. A major chord with a flatted 7. And you notice that this flatted 7, since the root is up here on C, an octave higher, our flatted 7 is 1 whole step below the root. So we can do that same exact thing here. C, take your thumb down a whole step, and you've got a C dominant 7 chord. Okay, or C7. Here is D, take that thumb down a whole step, you've got a D7 chord. Same thing here. C sharp dominant 7 or C sharp 7. E flat 7. E, E7. F, F7. F sharp 7. G, G7. A flat 7. A, A7. B flat 7, B7, back to that C7, of course. So, and here is our C minor chord, and here's our C minor 7, and the C minor, and the minor 7, according to the major scale, is 1, flat 7, 5, 1, flat 3, 5, and flat 7. Again, that's 1, a flatted 3rd, 5, and a flatted 7. So you have that minor chord with a flatted 7. And again, that flatted 7 is one whole step below the root, and we have a minor chord. So, same shortcut, play a minor chord, take your thumb down a whole step, and you've got the C minor 7 chord. Okay? C sharp minor, and then take your thumb down a whole step, you got C sharp minor 7. D minor 7, E flat minor 7, E minor 7, F minor 7. Well, that was a major chord, but F sharp minor 7. Here is G minor 7. Here is A flat minor 7. Here is A minor 7. Here's B flat minor 7. Here is B minor 7. So you found, so I've just showed you some shortcuts for some minor 7 chords. When you see them in your chord calls, and when you see them in the number system, you know that you don't have to stretch your fingers out. I just showed you some shortcuts, and I'll be showing you more shortcuts later on. But learn the root positions first, and then practice the shortcuts. So, and I'll see you at the next lesson, everybody.